Hello and welcome! One of the easiest ways to create holiday charm is with Christmas bowl decor. These versatile centerpieces can elevate any space from your dining table to your mantel. Today, we'll explore some creative and beautiful ideas for decorating bowls that will bring the magic of Christmas into your home. Evergreens with metallic accents. Create a festive look with a bowl surrounded by lush evergreens, copper and silver ornaments, sparkling lights, and delicate bells. This arrangement combines rustic and modern charm effortlessly. Pink and metallic ornaments. Add a playful yet elegant touch with metallic and pink ornaments nestled in a bowl with fresh evergreens. The vibrant mix of colors is perfect for creating a cheerful holiday centerpiece. Minimal metallic ornaments. Keep it simple yet sophisticated by filling a bowl with metallic ornaments. The reflective surfaces create a chic and festive vibe. Rustic dough bowl arrangement. Use a dough bowl filled with evergreens, pine cones, ornaments, berries, and twinkling lights. This layered arrangement makes a warm and inviting holiday display. Classic Christmas colors. Fill a wooden bowl with evergreens, brown, red, and gold ornaments. This timeless color palette brings traditional Christmas charm to your decor. Patterned ornaments. Add character to a wooden bowl with patterned cardboard ornaments and evergreens. It's a simple and affordable way to personalize your holiday decorations. Natural textures. Combine moss balls, pine cones, evergreens, and cotton balls in a wooden bowl. This arrangement adds a cozy, earthy touch to your decor. Rustic candle centerpiece. Use a bowl filled with evergreens, pillar candles, and pine cones to create a rustic yet elegant holiday centerpiece. Candle in a glass. Place a single candle in a glass surrounded by evergreens and pine cones in a dough bowl. This minimalist design is perfect for intimate gatherings. Snowflakes and pillar candles. Add a touch of winter wonderland with a dough bowl filled with evergreens, pine cones, snowflakes, and pillar candles. Twigs and cinnamon. Use a polished bowl to hold twigs, pine cones, cinnamon sticks, antlers, and lights. This arrangement combines natural and festive elements beautifully. Vintage-inspired bells and ornaments. Arrange bells, gold ornaments, pine cones, and evergreens in a white bowl for a charming vintage look. Woodland charm. For a rustic centerpiece, fill a wooden bowl with evergreens, pine cones, and candles. The natural elements create a warm, woodland-inspired display. Modern gold and burgundy. Combine gold and burgundy ornaments with pillar candles in a sleek bowl for a chic and modern holiday arrangement. Fall snow and mushrooms. Create a woodland scene with a wooden bowl filled with moss, fall snow, and tiny mushrooms. It's a whimsical touch for any space. Glamorous gold accents. Use a wooden bowl filled with evergreens and gold ornaments for a glamorous holiday arrangement. Silver and white elegance. Arrange silver and white ornaments with evergreens and lights in a wooden bowl. This design adds a sophisticated sparkle to your decor. Golden glow. A gold bowl filled with gold ornaments is a sleek and stylish centerpiece for any holiday gathering. Silver and gold combo. Combine silver and gold ornaments with lights in a glam Christmas centerpiece. Use a gold bowl for extra elegance. Glittering silver bowl. A silver glitter bowl filled with white and silver ornaments, evergreens, and lights creates a stunning holiday display. Thank you for joining me today. I hope these Christmas bowl decor ideas have inspired you to get creative this holiday season. Whether you prefer rustic, modern, or glamorous styles, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to share your favorite idea in the comments below. Wishing you a cozy and festive holiday season filled with joy and creativity.